Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into AWS IAM Signing Certificates. Sounds fancy, right? But don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. These certificates help authenticate users securely, ensuring AWS knows who's knocking on its door. They're mainly used for API requests, making sure only the right folks get access. Think of them as VIP passes, better than access keys in some cases. Let's explore why they matter. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Alright, let's define these certificates. They're like digital ID cards, proving who you are in AWS. Instead of relying on passwords, which, let's be honest, we all forget, these certificates provide a more secure way to authenticate. They help AWS verify identities, ensuring only authorized users get access. So think of them as your secret handshake with AWS. Security is a big deal. No one wants unauthorized access. IAM signing certificates help prevent security breaches by reducing reliance on passwords. If credentials get compromised, these certificates act as an extra layer of defense. They're especially useful for API authentication, ensuring AWS follows security best practices. So, if you want to sleep peacefully knowing your AWS environment is secure, these certificates are your best friend. Now, how do these certificates actually work? First, they're generated and assigned to IAM users, kind of like giving them a badge. They help authenticate users when accessing AWS services. AWS checks them against security policies to ensure everything is legit. And if things go south, they can be revoked or replaced. So they're flexible, secure, and ready to keep your AWS environment safe. IAM signing certificates don't just float around. They're tied to specific IAM users. Each user can have multiple certificates, making authentication more secure. They help users access AWS services safely, and permissions are managed through IAM policies. So think of it like giving different keys to different people. Each key grants access to specific areas. Uploading a signing certificate is pretty straightforward if you have the right permissions. Admins handle this process through AWS IAM, ensuring certificates meet security standards. Once uploaded, they can be activated for use. It's like uploading a VIP pass. Once it's verified, you're good to go. Managing certificates is like keeping track of your passwords, but way more secure. Admins can view and manage them, activating or deactivating as needed. Regular audits help maintain security compliance, and expired certificates should be replaced. So don't let old certificates linger. Keep your AWS environment fresh and secure. Certificates can be active or inactive, kind of like a light switch. Active ones work for authentication, while inactive ones don't. Admins can toggle their status in AWS IAM, ensuring security remains tight. It's a good idea to review inactive certificates periodically, because forgotten credentials can be a security risk. Sometimes certificates need to go, whether they're compromised or just outdated. Revoking stops them from being used, while deleting removes them permanently. Admins should revoke compromised certificates ASAP to prevent security risks. Regular cleanup keeps AWS environments secure, because cluttered credentials are a hacker's dream. Welcome. Let's talk about IAM API for signing certificates. This tool helps verify identities and ensures safe communication online, kind of like a digital passport. It not only manages certificates, but also strengthens security within cloud environments. Think of it as a VIP entrance pass for authorized users. Exciting, right? Security is serious business, but let's keep it simple. Store your certificates safely, just like locking important documents in a safe. Unauthorized access? No way. Regular updates keep things fresh and secure, and monitoring ensures no sneaky threats are lurking. Secure certificates mean a secure system. Managing certificates is like keeping track of your keys, you don't want to lose them. Automation is your best friend for renewals, while access control ensures only the right people get in. Keeping an audit trail, that's your security diary. Review policies often so nothing slips through. AWS and IAM API are like peanut butter and jelly. They work so well together. IAM helps manage identities, while AWS takes care of compliance and security. Plus, deploying certificates is effortless. You get security, efficiency, and peace of mind in one neat package. From secure logins to encryption, IAM API is everywhere. Need to sign a document digitally? It's got you covered. Encrypting sensitive data? No problems. Keeping unauthorized users out? Easy. It's like having a superhero for identity protection. Troubleshooting doesn't have to be scary. Start by checking expiration dates. Certificates need renewing just like passports. IAM permissions ensure only the right people access them, and correct configurations prevent hiccups. Logs, they're like detective clues to solve technical mysteries. Passwords are good, but IAM certificates, even better. Multi-factor authentication adds another layer of protection, while encryption keeps data safe. Say goodbye to stolen passwords. Certificates make hacking way harder. The future of IAM security is exciting. AI is making security smarter, zero trust models are gaining popularity, automation is becoming more efficient, and global compliance is strengthening. Buckle up, it's going to be a game changer. That's a wrap. IAM API is essential for security, and managing certificates properly makes all the difference. AWS integration helps, and the future is all about automation and AI. Thanks for joining. Go forth and secure your digital world. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.